Hello everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video, we have another haul video. I had a small box come in, so I want to share with you what all I received. It's from my little scrapbook store, and I will have links to their web page and to the website where you can purchase online. So you can all click there to get to the different merchandise. Salem decided to visit at the beginning. He was all over the box. I think sometimes, I don't know if he smells the other animals. I don't know. But he always wants to be on top of the box. So we're going to go ahead and pull out our 2 bags. And then we're going to start with actually this one here. I love how we get ribbon. I have a jar, a big container that I've been keeping my ribbons in lately that I've been getting from Michelle. So I got more of the mini blending tools and the sponges. I got the 3 new Catherine Pooler colors, which I'll have to swatch. I got this, which is a die. It's supposed to look like brush strokes. And I actually don't remember buying 3 of those, but I guess I did. But they were so cheap. I mean, yeah. And you can use these for birthday cards and stuff like that. These are little shaker stickers. They're so cute. And then this is the paper collection. And this whole thing is from, it's called Violet Studios or Violet Studio. And they're new to me. I think they're new to my little scrapbook store. So they're going to be fun to play with. We got the Catherine Pooler stamp set and this pink fresh stamp set. Actually, it's a 3-piece. So you get stencil, stamp, and die. And then I got these 2 dies and some more Catherine Pooler gingham paper. I like those. I think you get 3 of each color. And it comes to like 24 papers. And then this one, we've had the 12 by 12 paper pads of these, and then she had an 8 by 8, so I had to get it. I just think it's so pretty, and 8 by 8, you can use these as backgrounds on your, 12 by 12 layouts. You can use them for cards. There's so much. So, let me see. I'm going to pick out some stuff from here. I'm going to keep things that go together, kind of together, and then I'm going to show you the other stuff. So I got this Pink Fresh titles. There's all different kinds. I get these whenever she has them on sale because you can use them on any collection. You know what I mean? If you have the right color combo. And then this is the Simple Stories Wave stencil, which is so cute. I love stencils. And then I also got this one from Bella Boulevard, which is the one where you can like do background large titles and create your layouts with those. And then for this is the Simple Stories Snapshot. And these are elements that came in the Happy Scrappy bag. So you get the bits and pieces. You get the what are they called? Polaroids. You get the foam, I want to say foam phrases. And then it has other elements on there. And then you also get the paper collection. And with Simple Stories, you do get 1 of each sheet. So, and the other good thing is they are double-sided. So we have this one. And I love the flowers with the ledger paper, flowers with the rainbow. I love it. So if there's like the A side you don't like, you can always use the B side. I like the ice cream cones, but I also like the checker. The tags, I love how the back side is blank, so you can use it for your journaling. And then cut aparts, or use the background. Again, more cut aparts with the pelicans. And then we have some 2x2, some 3x4. This is a little mixture of cut aparts. And then the 4x6 with the watermelon and the sticker sheet. I love the Vespa, the roller skates, and the camera. And then you have the border strip. So that's all that came in the Happy Scrappy bag. So additional things I got were the frames, which are pretty big if you look at them next to my hand. the rub-on sheets for that same collection. And then I got the camera stencil, which is super cute. I love it. Now this stencil, actually, I realized it went with another collection, but it was together with the photo, or the cameras, and I wasn't thinking, but we got the dots, and then these are bigger bits, and the sticker book. Always get the sticker book. And then the other thing I always get is the 6x8 pad, which is the same exact paper that's in the 12x12. It's just shrunken down a little bit and in the 6x8 size. So these work great for matting your photos and stuff like that. So I had to take a quick pause and bring in the other bag. So when you spend over $100, you can get this Scrapbook and Cards magazine for free. I highly suggest it. You can get lots of inspiration and great ideas from this magazine. And now this one, I'm going to separate. Oh, I got some more marshmallow cardstock. So not much to see on that, so we're just going to move that over to the side. And then I also got the tag kit. It's a class that Tisa's going to be teaching, so that should be fun. I think it's going to be in May. Don't quote me on that, though. Okay, and then I also got the card kit, which is so pretty. I'm going to have to work on that. And then I got a few other extra bits, but I want to show you what comes in the actual Happy Scrappy bag. So you get the words, you get the butterflies, and you get the flowers and birds. Look at the owl. He's so pretty. And then this one is, I think it's ephemera, but they look like they're layered. And then on this, the foam stickers, I love how you get a little bit of each of the colors. So it's very rainbow, you know, and I love how they incorporate everything into the rainbow spectrum. So here we go. So all these papers have the gingham on the back, and you just get one of each. But they are so pretty. And I like that they have, I think it's supposed to be gray or cream, and then they also have the black, and then in the Happy Scrappy bag you get the I forget, it's sort of like the companion paper, but it's polka dots, and you get one of each sheet, but the colors are on the front and the back, so you still wind up getting all of the colors. It's just you only get it on one sheet because it's front and back. And then I got a second one because I have to have a second one. And then I also got a second sticker sheet, and I got the tag collection that, you know, Tisa's using in her class. I got one separate, so that way I would have one to cut up and use for my 12x12 layouts. And then I got the butterflies and flowers foam. These are the letters. They look like keyboard keys in all the colors. And I got an extra one of the foam titles. Some rub-ons and the frames, of course. And then this is another ephemera collection. Now these are cool because they look layered already. So it's really a good way to like add depth to your layout without having to add a whole lot of papers. And then I just got another one of the butterflies and the titles. And then we have the enamel dots, and I forget that other one. I think it's called a page something, but you just get like all the elements to make the page. That's what's in there. And then these are 3 sticker books. So you get the alphas and some words in each of the color shades in this one. In this one, you get 1 page each of the just other elements. So it's got a title, flowers, the birds and butterflies, stuff like that, little tags, all in the color shades. And then this last one is actually like the 6x8. It's the 6x8 paper pad of the main collection that's in the Happy Scrappy bag. So you get the paper, the front, and then on the back side is the gingham, just like the 12 by 12. And this time they do it twice. So you get 2 of each of the colors in the 6 by 8. So I love how this collection looks. It's going to be interesting to play with. So keep an eye out for that. And I will see you guys with our next video. Like I said, links will be down below for the My Little Scrapbook Store webpage and for their Facebook links. So come and join us. And I hope you guys have a great week.